Thanks for joining me again. We have a lot of clients that come to us and would like to proceed with their immigration matter, but unfortunately their financial situation is very tight. And no matter how reduced fees we offer, they're still in a position where they just cannot afford the legal fees, and that's fine. Well, we have prepared for this category of clients because we do empathize with them and we do understand immigration is a matter that no matter what application you're filing or where you are, you need some sort of guidance to ensure that everything is being done accurately. So what we've prepared for this category of clients is something that we call the do-it-yourself immigration kits. In these kits, we have provided not only the necessary forms, but also how to complete these complex forms. We have presented a step-by-step instructions on the completion of these forms. In addition, we've included a very detailed list of required documentation. It does go above and beyond of the basics that you see on Citizenship and Immigration website, so we do provide a little bit more guidance in that respect. Of course, the forms that you see on Citizenship and Immigration Canada's website are forms that could be used by anyone, no matter where they are or no matter what their situation is. So what we do is we try to outline a list of required documents that pertains to you specifically. So not only do we have details on the forms and how to complete this, but we also outline a detailed list of required documentation on your specific matter. In addition, we have added what we call the submission. A submission essentially is a cover letter to the immigration officer explaining your specific situation. We've outlined details of what should be included and basically have provided a fill-in-the-blank submission for you. Of course, based on your situation, you may have to add or subtract things from the submission, but it does give you pages of ways to outline your story to the officer. This is critical to the success of your application because you have to understand that immigration officers go through hundreds of these applications. So in order to make your story stand out, it's important to outline that to the officer in a storytelling way. So the submission allows you not only to explain your situation, but bring the officer to key points or key factors, his or her attention to those factors. Plus, if there's anything that you would like to mention that wasn't addressed with your documentation or with the forms, this gives you an opportunity to do so. So we have also included this for you so that you can be more concise and clear to the officer by telling your story your way. Our kits are also there for you so that once you compile all your documentation and once you've written the submission, etc., you can send this document to us, send your entire complete file to us. We will review it, amend it, make our edits, and send it back to you. This allows you to have that reassurance that you have done everything right. That before you submit your own application, someone else, some expert, whether it's a lawyer, consultant, has looked at your application and has given his or her stamp of approval. So before you submit your application to the immigration officer for review, one of our experts will have reviewed your application and given you the 2 thumbs up to say, yes, this is ready for submission to be filed at the consulate level. So that gives you that extra buffer of approval. So with our do-it-yourself kit, we have prepared many of them, just to name a few: spousal sponsorship, labor market impact assessment, work permit, visitor visa, business visitor visa, TRP, criminal rehabilitation, and much, much more. Please do contact us if you would require some more information on the do-it-yourself kit or simply visit our website. Thanks so much, and until next time.